97% were like, yes, give me a sassy blanket. And people loved the results because that's the only kind of therapizing I want is with swear words. Everyone needs like 5 emotional support water bottles. Hey guys, it's Abby from Smartass Sass, and I'm here to tell you about the March subscription box. So this month's theme was Give Me a Damn Break. Every month you're gonna get a booklet that tells you a little bit about the theme. It'll outline every item that you're getting and a little bit more information about the item and the maker. If you subscribe to a different level, it'll show you everything that the other levels are getting too, so you can decide if you want to upgrade or not for the future. So yeah, that's the booklet. We shipped in a big box this month because we had a very big item. It was one of our spoilers, and it's this blanket. It says I'm in my cozy bitch era, and people went crazy for this. So before we decided to do a blanket, we pulled subscribers and we're like, what do you think? 97% were like, yes, give me a sassy blanket. And people loved the results. So it's this heather, almost like a sweatshirt material on the outside. The inside is fleece. It's 50 inches by 60 inches. So it's a good size if you're like snuggly and by yourself, but it's also a good size if you're, you know, cuddled up with somebody. So yeah, there's that. So next we have this guided journal. It's titled Let That Shit Go, and it's by Monica Sweeney. She has tons of different guided journals that are awesome. We customized this one a little bit. We did a custom cover color. I'll show you some of the inside pages. So it's like there are prompts. It's not just like this blank journal space. So this says their emergency is not your emergency. Important. So yeah, just super colorful, but also fun and sassy, because that's the only kind of therapizing I want is with swear words. Zen as fuck. Let That Shit Go, Monica Sweeney. Next we have a calm strip. So I had never heard of these before specifically, but it's a sensory sticker. So let me open it up for you. So this one says all worries. So it's just a sticker, but it has a texture on it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the texture on the screen, but the purpose is that you could put it on your laptop or your phone, the back of your phone, but it's just a little sensory experience for those of us who are neurodivergent. And the creator, there's a little card in here about the designer. The company is called Calm Strips, but the designer, her name is Rebecca Rose, and the design came from she was writing a blog post and Grammarly told her that her tone sounded very worried, and she's like, yeah, because all worries, not no worries, all worries. So there's that. And her handle, you can follow her at Rosie Rebecca. It's ROSEY Rebecca. So yeah, calm strip. And they have different designs. You can also, like you can buy multi-packs, you can buy, and then they have different textures too. So this one is like the smoother one. They had a rocky one that's a little bit more textured. Okay, next we have this eye mask, the soothing eye mask. So this is from Banter. It's made of lavender and flaxseed, so it comes in this cute little pouch. Here's what it looks like when you open it up. It's a really nice kind of satiny fabric. It has a cute little eyeball design on it. You can pop it in the freezer so that it's cool if you need to like reduce your eye bags or just want, you know, something cooling. But yeah, it smells really good if you're into lavender. Obviously, if you're not or you have an allergy, it's not for you. But that is the little eye soother. Next we have our collectible Sharpie. So every month of 2023 we are doing a collectible Sharpie, and then at the end you'll have a full set of 12. So this month's is Me Time Magenta, and obviously it's Sharpie brand, it's pink, it's cute. We always do Sharpie brand, you know, best quality. But yeah, there's Me Time Magenta. Super cute. Okay, next we have a water bottle. It is 26 ounces and we have a double design on it. So the first side says, this is my emotional support water bottle, duh. And then the other side says, be kind to your mind. It's so cute. And it's obviously this turquoise teal. This is single walled stainless steel, so it is dishwasher safe. We always recommend hand washing when you can because it preserves the design, but totally up to you. I am a lazy bee and I'm putting everything in my dishwasher. But there's the inside and it has a little seal to keep it from leaking. So really love this guy. Everyone needs like 5 emotional support water bottles. Okay, last box item. We just, for funsies, made this cute little pouch for it that says "Give me a damn break," which is the theme this month. But it is a set of 3 Bath and Body products. They are all 2 ounces each. So, and they're all the scent of fresh milk and shea butter. So this first one is a milk foaming bath, and they have kind of like a pearlish design to them. That's pretty cute. This one is a body wash. And this one is a lotion. I am like, I don't know if this is weird or normal, but I like to have my body products all be the same scent because otherwise it feels very overwhelming to me. Maybe that's weird. I don't know. But there you go. A full set of 3 and a little reusable pouch. It's like a nice canvas. And we intended for it to be, you know, something that you could throw in your makeup bag or travel pouch and reuse. Okay, last but not least is the shirt for this month. So you can subscribe to only the shirt. You can get the big box where you get all the items and the shirt. But here it is. It is in a heather mustard color, and it says "Shit happens, naps help," and it has this cute little corgi guy on it. As always, we do these soft blend Bella and Canvas tees, so they're super cozy. And we have extra small to 4X unisex sizes available. This one is not for me. This is an extra small, but there it is. He's so cute. So that's it. Those are all of the items that we shipped in March. If you want to subscribe, we have several options. So you can get just the t-shirt, you can get a small box, which is 3 to 4 of the items. You can get the regular box, which is all of the items, and you can get the big box, which is all of the items and the t-shirt. All of those come at a discount, obviously. The retail value of the full shebang is always over $100. So yeah, check it out. We'll share the links. And if you have any questions, just let us know in the comments. Thanks. Hold on. 26 ounces, bitch. Okay. May box. That's not right. May box is take no shit. Okay, cut all that.